Green Power and Solar Choice programs allow our customers to support renewable energy in the Pacific Northwest and in the wider West Coast, but they also allow us to support projects like the one we're here to celebrate today.
The Alliance Center is a large nonprofit organization that is made of smaller nonprofit organizations. So the Alliance Center itself is the building that we're in. And then we have a number of nonprofit organizations, the Kent Food Bank being one of them, as well as a couple churches that reside in this building.
The panels on this roof amount to 30 kilowatts in capacity, which represents about 30,000 kilowatt hours produced each year. That generation will help to offset about 45% of the Alliance's energy use each year.
For us, the Kent Food Bank, but every agency in this building here, we want to make sure that we are around not just for 1 year, but we want to make sure we're around into the future to be able to help all of our clients. For example, the Kent Food Bank was formed initially as a temporary food bank. That was in 1978. And so we've been a food bank now for 45 years. And so we're not going away. The need is not going away. So anything, like I said, anything we can do to reduce costs, because we know that we're going to be here to serve the community because that's what's needed. Anything we can do to make sure that we can better serve the community, we will. And this is just one of those steps.